Hello, everybody. This is David with the Success Keeper, and on this channel, we talk about how to make money online. I record inspirational and motivational videos almost every single day. And if you enjoy my videos, I ask you to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video. And in the last video, we talked about the book Affiliate Marketing Millionaire, which is still unpublished. I just got my hands on and I like it so much I decided I'm gonna share it with you guys over here. I'm gonna read a chapter every single day. It's a short read, probably 5, 6, or 7 minutes. I'm gonna keep it short because the average watch time on YouTube here is about 5 minutes. So before you start clicking off, I'm gonna make sure you get a powerful, jam-packed video with great content. Okay, so yesterday I read introduction from this book written by the Affiliate Marketing Millionaire Dave Sharp, who is also the CEO of the Legendary Marketer. And let's get into it. You are starting today. This is the beginning of a whole new road for you, and you are about to gain more from this book than what others online charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars for. So let me get into what you can expect and how this book is going to prepare you to launch an online business. That is, if you are up for the challenge. My first question to you is one of the most important I will ever ask you. Why are you doing this? Do you want more money, a side or second income? Do you know most people are only one medical emergency away from complete financial disaster? Research shows the majority of Americans don't even have $1,000 in their bank account. That's terrifying, but it is a great reason to start a business, get out of debt, and build some cash reserves. Or maybe it is about more than money for you. Maybe you feel like you are spending too much time away from your family, missing the best years of your lives, of your kids' lives, or maybe your marriage or relationship is suffering because of bills stacking up, or you are growing apart and don't see each other enough because you are always working. Or maybe you are nearing retirement and fear you just don't have enough saved. If any of those are true for you, what I'd like to say is, do not be in denial like most people and wait until it's too late. Do not wait until you or family member has a medical emergency. Don't wait until your kids tell you they miss you or start misbehaving and there is no way to turn back time. Let's get into the business. All right, let's get into the business. Do not wait until your spouse says, I can't do this anymore. Do not wait until you are too elderly to work and you are forced to live a quality of life way below what you even imagined. I asked myself the same questions many years ago when I started my online business at the exact same place you are right now. Was I doing it for the money, the big houses and the fancy cars, or so I could travel all over the world and live like a rock star? When I dug deep, I started to think back on my life. I thought about being homeless in my mid-20s, struggling with crippling addictions, that was going to kill me if I didn't get help. And crawling up on my dad's doorstep, asking him to help me save my life. I thought about him letting me sleep on his couch and taking me to construction jobs with him, paying me out of his own pocket. I thought about sitting up for hours at night on his old desktop computer after we got home from the job site, looking for ways to make money online. My mom, my wife, there's been several people who helped me along the way that I'd love to give back to and make their life better in some way if I could. Once I knew why, I wanted to become successful. I then made the decision to be successful. And I made a commitment I was not going to stop until I did it. Guess what? I did do it. One day after overwhelmingly overhearing my dad mention he wishes he didn't have to drive around his old rust bucket truck anymore, I surprised him with the gift of a brand new truck. Someone who didn't have car insurance crashed into my mom's car and put her in a financially difficult place. So one day I took her to the car lot and relieved her of that burden by putting her in a brand new car. Then recently I was able to do something even cooler for my dad. He grew up extremely poor in a house without working water in it, and his entire life had never lived in a house with dishwasher in it. So I surprised him with the keys to a brand new house with a dishwasher. Now, I don't know what motivates you or what's going on, or what's going to push you when times get hard. When you run into challenges and start to question whether this having your own business thing is really worth it. Because I am here to tell you, it will test you. It will show you what you are made of. It will be a challenge. Because if you want to be successful in business, you are going to have to face those challenges. But now, you don't have to face them alone. So, I want you to go deep inside of your head and your heart and ask yourself, why are you doing this? What will it do for you if you complete this challenge and get your own online business launched in the next 15 days? What will it do for you if you complete this challenge and get your own online business launched in the next 15 days? Note, I repeated this question. I want you to ask that question yourself. What do you want to do with the extra money, the extra time, the extra freedom it could give you? And guys, that's it for today's video. We are already at 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna finish this chapter 1. I intentionally leave these videos short so that you don't get bored and start clicking off. I want to deliver really good value to you in small pieces so they are easy to digest, okay? So this is it for today's video. This was David with the Success Keeper, and tomorrow we're gonna continue with the Affiliate Marketing Millionaire book. You have a great day and I will speak with you tomorrow. Good luck.